A team of scientists has made a groundbreaking discovery in an underwater cave in Mexico, ancient microbes that have been dormant for over 50,000 years. The finding could provide important insights into the evolution of life on our planet and how it may have adapted to extreme environments. The researchers, led by Dr. Laura Villanueva from the University of Yucatan, were exploring the depths of the Sac-Actin underwater cave system when they stumbled upon the microbes. The Sac-Actin complex is the largest underwater cave system in the world, spanning over 350 kilometers of interconnected tunnel and passageways. Using a state-of-the-art sequencing technique, the team was able to analyze the DNA of the microbes and determine that they belong to a group of bacteria known as the Desulfotomaculum. This group is particularly well suited to surviving in extreme conditions, such as high temperatures and low oxygen levels. But what makes this discovery so significant is that the microbes have been dormant for tens of thousands of years. They were found deep inside the cave system, where there is no light or nutrient source, and are believed to have survived by feeding off organic compounds in the surrounding rocks. This is a really exciting discovery, says Dr. Villanueva. It shows us that life can adapt and survive in even the most extreme environments. And it raises all sorts of questions about how microbial communities evolve over time. The researchers now plan to study the microbes further, to learn more about their genetic makeup and how they have managed to survive for so long. They will also investigate whether similar microbes exist in other extreme environments around the world, such as deep-sea vents and hot springs. The discovery of these ancient microbes could have important implications for astrobiology, the study of life beyond Earth. If life can survive in these extreme conditions on our own planet, it raises the possibility that similar life forms could exist on other planets or moons in our solar system, says Dr. Villanueva. The team's findings have been published in the journal Nature Communications, and have already garnered attention from the scientific community around the world. This is a truly remarkable discovery, says Dr. Mark Johnson, a microbiologist at the University of California, Los Angeles. It opens up a whole new area of research into the evolution and survival of microbial communities in extreme environments. As for what the future holds for the Sac-Actin cave system, Dr. Villanueva believes there could be many more exciting discoveries to come. This is just the beginning, she says. There are so many hidden secrets and mysteries waiting to be uncovered in this vast and unexplored underwater world.